Accepting that your Kindle is old and out of date can be a bitter pill to swallow. Fortunately, there's a product that's even hotter. It's the all-new Amazon Fire HD 10 tablet. Finding a babysitter on short notice can be tough work, and entertaining the kids when you're eating out can be a nightmare. Thankfully, 21st century technology is the new surrogate babysitter in today's noisy world, allowing parents to relax and just enjoy the moment. Thankfully, the Fire HD is more than just a dinner-time YouTube device. The all-new Fire HD 10 tablet is a cool little feature-packed tablet hybrid with some surprising power under the hood. Thinner and lighter than the previous model Fire HD, the 2021 version features a 10.1-inch touchscreen display with full HD 1080p resolution, scaled up to 1920 by 1200. There's a VGA front-facing camera and a 2-megapixel camera on the rear. Fast and responsive, the Fire HD comes with a powerful octa-core processor and 3 gigabytes of RAM. That's 50% more than the previous generation. On board, you'll find 32 or 64 gigabytes of internal storage that can be expanded up to 1 terabyte with a microSD card. An upgraded long-life battery lasts 10 hours before needing to be recharged. Enjoy all your favorite apps like Netflix, Facebook, Hulu, Instagram, TikTok, and more through Amazon's App Store. The selfie cam makes catching up with friends and family over Zoom nice and easy. And being an Amazon tablet, you know Alexa integration is built in. So, what do we like about the all-new Fire HD 10 Full HD tablet? First off, we love the fact that Amazon added 50% more RAM to this model. Slow tablets and laggy switching between apps is a massive headache. We also really like that it comes with a keyboard at no extra cost. Many other tablets on the market, including Samsung's, sell their keyboards for an extra $100 or more. Lastly, we really like the bigger 10-inch HD display, making it much easier to utilize the split screen feature and not miss a second of the action. So, what's the downside? The only real downside to the Amazon Fire HD 10 is that despite being built on Android code, it doesn't support the Google Play Store without some warranty-voiding software upgrades. Instead, you're stuck with Amazon's App Store, which has around 480,000 apps compared to Google's 3.8 million. So, what's the verdict? Lightweight, sleek design, more RAM, a bigger screen, and an ad-free system, all for $150? Even with Amazon's anemic App Store, I would still highly consider purchasing this tablet just because of all the value at such a great price. We give it a rating of 4.5 out of 5 stars. The only thing keeping the Fire HD 10 from getting a solid 5-star rating is its inability or unwillingness to support Google Play. Otherwise, it's a near-perfect tablet. And the all-new Fire HD 10 tablet could be yours. We'll be giving it away to one lucky subscriber. To be in the drawing to win this amazing product, the rules, as always, are very simple. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave a comment in this video with the hidden hashtag from today's review. That's all you got to do. I hope you're paying attention. Just in case you missed it the first time, you can always go back and watch again. We'll then select someone at random and announce the winner exactly a week from now. Good luck. If you liked what you saw today and you can't wait to see if you've won, we've included our purchase link in the description below. This has been Review to You, where we review and give to you for free. From Matt and Gary, see you guys next time.